Hello, Professor. Continuing the discussion, part 3, is technology real the problem? So, as we are continuously discussing that the electronic devices, smartwatches, how they are motivate us to engage in the exercise and fitness goals. So, I think they motivate us because when somebody have a new watch, so they want to track the steps, blood pressure, pulse rate, and all. And as you say that we have to share the experience, so I have a great experience at how I start my exercise and how I stop the exercise. So in after COVID-19 in 2022, I gained so much weight, so I start exercising to go to the gym. And I have a personal trainer too that makes me so motivating and try to engage me in the fitness goals. So he helped me a lot. That's why I think I achieve my fitness goal. I lose so much weight, but after that I didn't find any personal trainer like him. So I didn't more engage in fitness goals like that. So till now I am not consistently involved in the exercise protocol. Like I should have to do the exercise daily because of sedentary lifestyle and long hours sitting, but nobody motivating me, nobody I have to engage me that yes you should have to do. I know I should have to do, but I have multiple lots of work to do, so I just skip the exercise. So yes, technology, I think it's again a problem because as I say that the technology came work less, so we spend more time in front of the cameras, in front of the screen. We don't have a free screen time. Don't have time to rethink, just meditating itself, so that we have some relaxation for the brain. We can do some yoga also, apart from strengthening exercise, apart from gym, for the health, for the mental health. So this is the time, like nowadays everybody has their own busy schedule. Just wake up in the morning, go to the work, and 7 to 8 hours of work, and then come to home and just prepare the food and sleep. So if I talk about earlier, like people, they have work, they did work with their hands, so they have a workout during their work. And so they did work with their hands, so they have a less time and more work, so they have a limited time to work. And then work, exercise, all are together, and food is also very nutritious that time. Nowadays, there are so much mixing in the foods, chemicals, fertilizers are there. So but yes, people are trying to repack the old ways in this era, so that they can live a healthy life. So I think, yeah, now I would like to say that yes, technology is the problem, because after coming the technology, the health issues are increasing day by day, like diabetes, obesity, hypertension, cardiac arrest, stroke, paralysis, etc. So we should have to follow the aspect of only one aspect of technology, that don't rely on it, just use it for their comfort. Don't try to kill ourselves with this technology. Thank you.